So we was in vendor management. Now in vendor management, there are other vendors also. Just click on that. Name Delhi बाइंडिंग हाउस. इनका काम क्या है? ये बाइंड करते हैं. तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन वेंडर कोड, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट वेंडर कोड, राइट. स्पेशलाइजेशन बुक बाइंडिंग. वेंडर स्टेटस बाइंडर. एड्रेस गाजियाबाद. उन्होंने गाजियाबाद में दुकान खुली, उनका नाम दिया है दिल्ली बाइंडिंग हाउस. ठीक है. गाजियाबाद और सिटी गाजियाबाद, स्टेट यूपी, इन 201011. कॉन्टेक्ट पर्सन मिस्टर आलम. डेजिग्नेशन ओनर, तो चलो मैनेजर. ईमेल abcd abcd.com. phone number something something something, act something something, just save. So you have created one publisher and one binder. Record inserted. Okay. Now coming to the it is little slower in Windows 10, but if it was in XP, it was little speedy. So that's the difference. So I'm just waiting for the right. It's add, save and add. Right. Now next is we'll find one bookseller. So we'll find Delhi bookseller. Yeah. Noida bookseller. Vendor code, or it will automatically generate. Then specializations, they are specialized in scientific books. And here the supplier. Address, sector 15A, Noida. State, Uttar Pradesh, in 201012, something like that. Then contact person, Mr. Sharma. Designation है manager. Email abcdef@abcdef.com. Phone, this is it. Oh, country should be okay. Country should be India. How it's become Albana? India. Just add it. So it will go to your database. Now close it. Okay. Now it will take, once you become click on that, it will automatically ask you for the vendor. So we're not going to, probably I do not know it will work or not. No, it is not going to listen you. So you have to put another name. Just press uh, Royal Book House. Vendor code, it will automatically come. Specialization. I'm just waiting for the yes. So specialization is humanities. Humanities. Now, okay, put it in supply. Will be good. Or book house. Put them into the publisher. Address CUTTA, Calcutta, CUTTA, for WB, West Bengal, pin number India. Just please click this one, India, and then Denmark, Mr. Kamal, designation manager, ABCD at .com. Or something. Now save. Okay. When it's done, just press close. Now vendor has already done. Then will come acquisition master, it's done. Then will come cataloging master. In here we can put leader, fixed item, classification scheme. You just click on that. So what reader will do? These are the record status. Now look at that. Very simple. Mark record can be distinguished for various types of material by specific code used in leader. 06 type of record. The leader of mark record identifies number of bibliographic record type, including following: language material, manuscript language, computer file, geographical materials, cartographical materials, manuscript, cartographic, noted. So they have already, already I think they have checked in, right? Book for book, they have already done it. And if for serial, they have already done it. So it is inbuilt, right? It is inbuilt there. Then fixed field. Serial, authority, they have already done it. If we just press book, date unknown. So here I think they have already included things. So we did not to do anything. Right. Then classification scheme. Again, I think in classification scheme, you need not to do anything because they have already given some idea, but you can add on some feed. Let's check. Okay. It is asking which DDC, which classification scheme you are going to use. आपको कौन सी चूज करना, तो आप एबीसी चूज करना चाहते हैं, डीडीसी चूज करना चाहते हैं, और अदर क्लासिफिकेशन, तो यहीं से आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, right? So just close it. So they have already inbuilt that concept. Then data entry template means how we are going to input the data into the computer. Let's check what is this is you wanted to. Now here you see the data. Two things important in computer application. I always told everybody, when you understand, you read it. If you understand, go ahead. If you do not understand, cancel it. Right? सभी को मैं बता रहा हूँ कि दो कॉन्सेप्ट है. You know language and they have, if you understand, okay, so you have to read it, right? मैं आप लोगों को और भी एक चीज बताया था, याद रखिएगा. There was a one child, his mother was illiterate, पर हर रोज जो बच्चे आके कहते थे कि मम्मी ये समझ में नहीं आ रहे हैं, जरा बता दो. तो मम्मी कभी नहीं बताया कि वो इलिटरेट. वो उन्होंने बताया कि बेटे और एक बार पढ़ लो, और एक बार पढ़ लो. तो उस बच्चे को आदत ही लग गया बार बार पढ़ना, और वो बाद में ही बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएसए. तो ये हैबिट बना लीजिएगा, जब भी देखे पढ़ लीजिए. तो हियर यू कैन सी देयर आर डिफॉल्ट डेटा एंट्री फॉर्म सोल्ड टू पॉइंट facilitate the create their own template for data entry. New template can be created for data entry operations if you have a specific type of materials and you want to short. That means कोई specific type of material है वो आप यहाँ पे mention कर सकते हो. तो बट बुक्स एंड वो के लिए बट स्पेसिफिक टाइप मेंशन करने से इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. आपको उनकी मार्क टैग क्या आप यूज करोगे ये सिलेक्ट करके मैक टैग एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, उनको लेना है. राइट? so this is for specific purpose. Now report template, global search and delete bibliography, ये कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में सीधे आ जाएंगे. कैटलॉगिंग के बाद सर्कुलेशन मास्टर. इन सर्कुलेशन मास्टर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कैटेगरी. कौन सी कैटेगरी में आपकी स्टूडेंट होंगे. फिर कैलेंडर. चलो कैटेगरी में देख लो आप. और कैटेगरी में ये मान के चलो आपका यहाँ पे एक टीचर है, तो हम स्टूडेंट डाल सकते हैं, रिसर्चर डाल सकते हैं. तो हम कैटेगरी कोड में हम यहाँ पे ऐड करते हैं. राइट? ऐड. तो कैटेगरी कोड हम रखते हैं 02 और कैटेगरी का नाम देते हैं STUDENTS. स्टूडेंट. ड्यूरेशन इनको कितने दिन के लिए देना है? 2 months के लिए देते हैं. मेंबर चार्जेस कितना है? मेंबरशिप चार्जेस 50 रुपए. डिपॉजिटेड अमाउंट 50 रुपए. मतलब सभी मेंबर को ये देना. मैक्सिमम अलाउड ओवर ड्यूज एक से ज्यादा नहीं. फिर आते हैं मैक्सिमम अलाउड आइटम 2. राइट? तो 2 हम इनको यूज करेंगे. फिर यहाँ पे देना है प्रिविलेज. इनका प्रिविलेज क्या होगा? राइट? तो व्हेन यू सेव इट, जस्ट सेव इट.
सर प्रिविलेज क्या सर? एक
आ रहा हूँ उसी में. पहले ये ना सेव करके दिखाइए. अब ये जब प्रिविलेज देना है तो आप यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करेंगे, फिर ये ओपन हो जाएगा. प्रिविलेज मीन्स उनको क्या प्रिविलेज देना है. राइट? उनका इशू पीरियड क्या होना चाहिए. 2 महीने के लिए तो आपने बता दिया, उसके बाद भी आप प्रिविलेज चेंज कर सकते हो. राइट? तो और मैक्सिमम रिजर्वेशन वो क्या कर सकते हैं, कितनी बुक, 1 बुक या 2 बुक. 2 बुक तो आपने अलाउ किया, लेकिन रिजर्वेशन 1 बुक का रखा है. मैक्सिमम अलाउ नंबर यहाँ पे ये देखो स्टूडेंट आ गया. मैं सिलेक्ट करती हूँ, स्टूडेंट आ गया, और यहाँ पे आपने मटेरियल टेक्सचुअल डॉक्यूमेंट. राइट? टेक्सचुअल. आप यहाँ पे कभी कभी क्या होता है, आप टीचर्स को प्रिविलेज कर रहे हो कि वो CD-ROM भी घर ले जाए. और थीसिस भी घर ले जाए, लेकिन स्टूडेंट को नहीं दे सकते हो आप। तो भी ये सारे चीज आपको यहाँ पे मान के चलो। इशू पीरियड है 5 days, मैक्सिमम रिजर्वेशन 1, मैक्सिमम लोन 2, रिजर्व पीरियड 1 day, ड्यूरेशन फेज फाइन में देखो, फेज 1 मतलब 2 फेज में है, ड्यूरेशन डेज फेज 1 में मान के चलो ड्यू डेज से 5 days के अंदर चार्जेस 2 रुपये करके रहेंगे, डिफॉल्ट चार्ज 2 रुपये। फिर यहाँ तो जब ड्यूरेशन 10 दिन हो जाएगा तो डिफॉल्ट चार्जेस बढ़ जाएगा 4 रुपये। राइट, और इसको आप सेव कर दीजिए। Now, privilege-based collection type, it is optional. It can be done. It can be you cannot do it, or if you may not do it. Right. So everything is done. We have inputted the teacher and student also. So just go exit. Now you have circulation manager, then serial master. Right. One thing I have not done it. Yes, category we have defined. Then calendar. The most important part in the library circulation is the calendar. क्योंकि आपका एक तो कैलेंडर में अगर आपका हॉलीडे सॉफ्टवेयर को नहीं बता देते हो या ऑफ डे नहीं बता देते हो तो वो उनका भी फाइन कैलकुलेशंस करके आपको बताएगा। दूसरा, सपोज आपका ड्यू डेट संडे आ रहा है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वो मंडे ले। बुक ड्यू डेट 15 अगस्त आ रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो 16 अगस्त ले। तो आपको वीकली ऑफ डेज और कोई स्पेशल डेज ये सारे देना है। ऐड कैसे करना है आप यहाँ, वेरी गुड, यहाँ पे ओकेशंस मान के चलो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर डेट चूज करो, मान के चलो अगस्त, हम 15 अगस्त, ओकेशन इंडिपेंडेंट डे। कहाँ गए, सेव, holiday has saved. Now here you can update the are you sure you want to change weekly update? Yes, if you change it you will see fine, no off, Sunday will take as an off day, right? Save. Is update. Once everything is updated, just go out, exit. So this is done. Now, member type. We have done member type only. I do not know. We have done category. We'll see how things is in member type. Right. So here you can assign member type. Suppose add member type. We have already assigned teacher and student. Here we can assign suppose teacher. Oh, academic, teaching and non-teaching. Maximum books 5. Maximum amount 50. Right. So end date, that will no, end date will be, it should be different. Right. Okay, just save it. फिर you can add on student, researcher, non-teaching, everything over here. Then just press exit. Then customize member card. Very simple. How you are going to print your this thing member ID card. You can go like that. Suppose you want to edit or view. You want to edit, and you want to take barcode and to take codes barcode. So just height and width you can do 2 inches, 2 inches. You can put name with barcode, right? So just post designation, you can select all those, but I do not know how. What will be the instruction on the card, backside of the card? So you can probably write that. Yes, it will come like that. You can take barcode, you can take course designation, you can take department name first, right? Then institutional address. So you can give the institutional address first, the department. Here you can put the barcode. Then institute logo. Here you can put the. So it will print right that way. So if sometimes you want to take the member photo, member का फोटो भी हमें देना है तो आप यहाँ पे डाल बड़े सिंपल फॉर्म है आपको इस तरीके से फिर और बैक पेज में कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दो और आप ऐसे बना दो तो ठीक एग्जैक्टली उसी तरीके से आपका वो आईडी कार्ड बन जाएगा प्रिंट हो जाएगा ठीक है और वो आईडी कार्ड आप पेजेस में भी प्रिंट कर सकते हो और आपके पास अगर थर्मल प्रिंटर है तो आप वो जो प्लास्टिक कार्ड है उसमें भी कर सकते हो और मैं बताऊंगा RFID कार्ड भी प्रिंट कर सकते हैं ये पॉसिबल है बड़ा सिंपल है ये अभी ले नहीं रहा है क्योंकि ये सोल डेमो वर्जन है एक दूसरा ये है कि ये अभी विंडो 10 में चल रहा है तो दो कारण है तो विल जस्ट कंटिन्यू बोलेंगे या क्विट बोलेंगे सो क्लोज कर देते यहाँ देन रिसेट ट्रांजैक्शन माने हमारा जो बुक का probably there are two kind of transaction I do not know yes right membership ID member code और category इसके थ्रू हमें वो करना है ट्रांजैक्शन करना है तो प्रोबेबली मेंबर आईडी या मेंबर कोड से हम ट्रांजैक्शन करेंगे तो हम अभी रिसेट नहीं करेंगे जस्ट ये हुआ आपका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तो आज मैं यह एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तक ही कराएंगे मतलब हम कहाँ तक करे थे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की कैटलॉगिंग मास्टर सर्कुलेशन master serial master and we have done it was serial oh acha okay we have a serial masters and general master okay we'll do it in serial masters serial means आप लोग now here you will find serial master in serial master you have a vendor frequency tables mode binding type edition so in serial master you just go for the vendor just click on the vendor here you can input the different name of the vendors but you already know that we have two publishers who have already inputted as a vendor but I will tell you one important aspect that always not the bookseller or book publisher has become the journal publisher. They are two different components. So sometimes it may be journal on Oxford University Press, but that has been taken care by the different group. So we'll press an add. I think it is not activated here because it is a demo version, right? And this is frequency, delivery mode, Delivery frequency means how it will come. Just take it, how it will work. Means how when every newspaper will come or every journal is coming, what is the frequency of that particular journal? Annually, bi-monthly, semi-weekly, daily, right? So this is there. So you can add on that. Now, delivery mode, how it is coming. You just click on that, you can able to understand. Some of the coming by airmail, some of them by hand, some are coming through the by ship. So there are different kind of. Now look at the airmail, courier, hand delivery, local, parcel, register, sea surface. So this is the way. So we have to choose how it is coming. Then binding type. What are the kind of binding? It's a normal binding or the leather binding or the jacketed binding, all. So here you can say brown, dark green, other red, yellow. So these are the type of binding, right? Now addition we need not to see because it's now coming to the general master. So here we can change some of the concepts. One is currency. What will be the currency conversion rate, right? What will be the euro rate? What will be the dollar rate? So everything, whenever a book's coming with a price of euro, immediately what it will do, you just put the price of euro, it will automatically convert into the Indian money, right? So they have already given some conversion rate over here, right? Conversion rate over here. So through these things, you can change it. You can change it because if I look at the in 2008 and now it's bigger change in currency, right? So just close it. You can do that. Then budget. Budget is important. If you do not do budget, so you cannot do many things. So here you have to create because one institute got received different funds from different organizations. Suppose sometimes they are getting funds from UGC, sometimes they are getting funds from the government, state government. So you have to create funds allocations, right? Budget allocations. Not only income for the expenditure also, right? Not only income for the expenditure also. So, but then budget transfer, then institute detail. You have to put the institutional detail, otherwise it will not work. Then language, then what will be the subject, then what will be the physical media, or if you want to create a new library, so you can create that. So this is the way you have to set up first the basics of the soul. Then onwards, we can able to work on soul. So in our next session, we'll see other features of the soul, right?